So I'm working on the Little Libations program that we have here at BevFluence at the Baltimore Spirits Company, and so I'm going to make a Little Libation Negroni. I think I'm swapping out. I'm not going to have Campari, but I'm going to use the Baltimore Amaro instead of the Campari. Catoctin Creek gin. Got to use one of the top gins in the area, and then I'm going to use a drier vermouth from the Wine Collective, which is actually right through the door there. And then I'm going to play around with a couple flavors from Amoretti. One would be a pistachio, and the second one would be the Tangelo, just to see. So I'll come back in a second to see how it works. Okay, we're back. We've actually made our two Negronis. Same basic ingredient, and it's pretty simple. That's why Negroni is such a great cocktail. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 of the gin, the vermouth, and then the Baltimore Spirits Amaro. And then what I did was actually on the right side here is the pistachio. The left side here is the Tangelo. Just put a tiny bit, and the
I mean, just the shakers, little mini shakers.
well, the pistachio is a little bit, adds a little bit more, really brings out the floral part aromas. Sort of helps with the gin.
So we have
Yeah, the pistachio taste itself is very subtle, but definitely makes it interesting. And then with the Tangelo, oh wow, definitely elevates obviously the citrus, but it's really lasting. Really, actually extends the gin a lot longer. And actually on the tail end brings out, I can't tell if it's the vermouth or the Amaro that it brings out, but really lengthens the cocktail. So this is the cool part about our program, is that you play around, fool around, find out what you like, try different things. Particularly these Amaretto flavors are fantastic. We got all local spirits here. Vermouth from the Wine Collective, Amaro from Baltimore Spirits Company, which we're filming at now, and of course Virginia's Catoctin Creek. So cheers.